Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This vegan recipe with coconut cream and peaches is plant-based, gluten-free, healthy dessert or breakfast for your whole family. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius with the fan on, up and down, and prepare a small baking tray. Pour the oats into the baking tray. Add the coconut oil, cocoa and salt. Mix all of the ingredients and transfer it to the oven. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the oats start to smell nice. Meanwhile, start preparing the fruit sauce by placing all of the ingredients in a suitable container. Start with the peaches first. Vanilla extract and the agave syrup. Blend using a hand blender. Put the coconut cream in a suitable container and beat with mixer. Add the agave syrup. The coconut cream that I use is 17%, not very thick, so when you buy, look for the highest percentage. To make the cream thicker, I added an avocado. Add sesame tahini and mix again. Add the avocado and beat all of the ingredients until smooth. Assemble the glass. Starting with the coconut avocado cream. Oat crumble and then the peach puree. And repeat again. Top with some pistachio. Leave the cream in the fridge for a few hours and then serve cold. Your peaches and coconut cream is now ready. Enjoy and love your life.